power transferred in a circuit, the condition is when load resistance is equal to Thevenin's resistance. How do we find Thevenin resistance? What is the procedure to find Thevenin resistance? Remove the load resistance and open circuit the current source and short circuit the voltage source. So by using this assumptions, we are going to find out the Thevenin's resistance. When the Thevenin resistance value is equal to the load resistance value, on that condition, the maximum power is transferred in the circuit. Okay, now that is when RL is equal to RT. This is very, very important. Suppose in 2 mark question, define maximum transfer, whatever is given in 2 mark, the main thing is you are writing in statement. Write the statement of maximum power transfer theorem. Along with you have to write RL is equal to RTH. This is very, very important. In the father so yeah, when load resistance is equal to Thevenin's resistance, then maximum power will be transferred in the circuit. Okay, so next note down the problem. Otherwise, suppose the condition, how do we say when RL is equal to RTH, the maximum power is transferred in the circuit. So you have to prove this, isn't it? You can prove it. So prove it. Suppose consider a network. Consider a circuit. The circuit consists of open circuit voltage, that is general circuit is given. From this circuit we are going to calculate that is open circuit, that is Thevenin voltage as well as Thevenin resistance. So take down the Thevenin voltage, otherwise open circuit voltage and Thevenin resistance RTH along with the load resistance RL. So in this circuit, at what condition that is where at what condition the maximum power is transferred. How do we find load current? The current flowing here IL is equal to, we are considered as load current. What is the formula of load current? IL is equal to, how do we write? I is equal to V by R. I is equal to VOC by RTH. That's it. Current is there. IL current. Same IL current flows in this one, isn't it? Then I is equal to V by R. V by what? How many resistors present in the circuit? 2 resistors. The 2 resistors are connected in series. RTH plus RL. But we are going to find the maximum power. What is the formula of power? P is equal to, that is I am considering load power. PL is equal to I squared R. Load current into load resistance. PL is equal to IL squared into RL. Then what is IL? VOC by RTH plus RL. So this is equal to VOC by RTH plus RL the whole square into RL. This is for PL. We are going to find maximum value. How do you find maximum value? How do we find? Maximum here. Differentiate and equate to 0. In any equation to find the maximum value, we are going to differentiate that equation and equate to 0, then we are getting the maximum value. Here you are going to differentiate with respect to PL, that is RL. dPL by dRL is equal to 0 for maximum. For maximum, what does it mean? Change in load power along with change in, with respect to change in resistance. are going to equate to 0, how do you differentiate this one? Differentiate the equation. This is PL, isn't it? PL is equal to VOC by RTH plus RL the whole squared into RL. என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? எப்படி differentiate பண்ணுவோம்? Differentiation. U by V formula, isn't it? என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? RTH plus RL whole squared, the whole squared, isn't it? Then whole to the power 4. Then in the numerator,
VOC minus VOC
minus plus
RTH
plus RL whole square into 0
into VOC.
the numerator என்னலாம் இருக்கு
VOC
square RL. Yeah, numerator consists of VOC squared and RL. So in the denominator RTH plus RL. RTH plus RL the whole square into whole square. Then keeping the denominator as it is. Isn't it? What are you doing? That is RTH plus RL the whole square. Then numerator you are going to differentiate with respect to what? With respect to RL. Then numerator என்ன இருக்கு? Numerator என்ன இருக்கு? VOC squared RL. RL differentiate பண்ணா
VOC
squared மட்டும் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? Into VOC squared minus then VOC the whole squared VOC the whole squared into RL. இது differentiate பண்ணணும் இல்லையா? ஓகேவா? இதுதான் differentiate பண்றோம். Then in the numerator 2 into the numerator, you are keeping the numerator as it is and differentiate the denominator. Denominator when you differentiate 2 into RTH plus RL and the RL differentiation is 1, isn't it? So this is equal to 0, isn't it? Then when you are equating to 0, இது என்ன வரும்? இங்க வந்துரும் இல்லையா? Then denominator becomes 0. The numerator VOC squared and RTH plus RL is constant, isn't it? So when you take the numerator RTH plus RL and what are the common terms present in the both sides? VOC squared into என்ன வரும்? RTH plus VOC squared into RTH plus RL minus 2RL minus 2RL. That is equal to 0. This multiple term come this side. என்னவாயிடும்? 0 ஆயிடும். RTH minus RL is equal to 0. RTH is equal to RL. So what is the maximum condition to find to get the maximum power? When RTH is equal to RL, the maximum power is transferred in the circuit or the maximum power is transferred from source to load. Okay, va? The circuit maximum power flow na when RTH is equal to RL. Okay, va? Then copy the important derivation. Calculate RL so that maximum power is transferred from battery. So that maximum power is transferred from battery. IL squared into R. What is IL? என்ன எழுதிக்கோம்? VOC squared by VOC squared by RTH plus RL the whole squared into RL. Then what is the condition? Maximum power flow RTH is equal to RL. Then once you are substitute RTH is equal to RL or RL is equal to RTH, VOC squared. Then substitute RL is equal to RTH into RTH by RTH plus RTH equal to, isn't it? अब ये क्या करो? 2 RTH squared. Denominator क्या करो? 4 2 times RTH the whole square. Then the denominator becomes 4 RTH squared. In the numerator, this is equal to VOC squared RTH by 4 RTH squared. Then RTH get cancelled. Then VOC squared by 4 RTH. புரியுதா? மேக்ஸிமம் பவர் எவ்வளோ ஃப்ளோ ஆகுது இதையும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Condition, then how much amount of maximum power is transferred? VOC squared by 4 RTH. So maximum power transfer formula VOC squared by 4 RTH. The question is find out what is the value of RL and find the maximum power transferred in the circuit. We are going to find maximum power Tmax as well as load resistance RL. How do we find load resistance RL? To find it, because maximum power transfer theorem, when the condition is RL is equal to RTH. Once we find RTH, that is the value of RL. Then PLmax formula, maximum power transfer formula, PLmax is equal to, what is the formula? VOC squared by 4 RTH. To obtain or to solve PLmax, we need VOC as well as RTH. VOC is nothing but Thevenin voltage. The same procedure you have to follow. So the first step to find RTH. Step 1. To find RTH. 3 draw the circuit. What is the condition? To find RTH, remove the load resistance. Open circuit the current source. Short circuit the voltage. 3 draw the circuit and find RTH. 3 draw the circuit and find RTH. Then to find RTH, short circuit the voltage source and remove the load resistance. Draw the other component as it is. Then 10 ohm, viewed from here, solved from the opposite side. Then RTH is equal to 5 ohms. Isn't it? Then to find VOC. To find VOC, the procedure is remove the load resistance alone. So remove the load resistance means you have to remove this load resistance alone. Draw the other component as it is. then 10 ohm, 10 ohm, this is 50 volt. Then VOC, this is VOC. Find the voltage between these 2 points. Voltage. How do we find the voltage between these 2 points? The voltage across 10 ohm resistor is VOC, isn't it? Am I right? The voltage across 10 ohm resistor is VOC. Voltage across 10 ohm resistor வேணும்னா இதுக்கு voltage வேணும்னா என்ன எழுதிக்கணும்? V is equal to I into R. So to find the voltage across this point, இங்க voltage வேணும்னா resistance இருக்கு. Once current தெரிஞ்சா VOC கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம் தானே? Once current கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இப்போ current எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? How do we find current? The loop analysis, isn't it? Write the equation 50 is equal to 10I plus 10I. That is 20I is equal to 50. Then I is equal to 50 by 20, 2.5 amps. Then நமக்கு தேவை voltage இல்லையா? VOC. Voltage open circuit voltage is equal to voltage across 10 ohm, that is equal to 2.5 into 10. This is equal to 25 volt. So VOC is equal to 25 volt. Then RTH is equal to 5 volt. What is the formula of maximum power? Pmax is equal to VOC squared by 4 RTH. Then find out 31.25. Answer is 25. Unit? VOC is 25 squared by 4 into give up. Resistance RL, so that the maximum power is transferred in the circuit. So that the maximum power is transferred in the circuit. Volt, 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 1 the problem.